Hey guys, I want to show you what I just received from Amazon. If you're looking at this, then you're probably looking at the same type of tool, a concrete type of vibrator. It just came in and it comes in a big box like this. I already cut the box open. Here comes the tool. There's a couple filler boxes, there's nothing inside. And a big hose like that.
You might be wondering, why did I get this tool? Well, I'm actually going to be pouring a foundation for my garage soon, but this tool can be actually used for insulated concrete forms. It is perfect for getting air bubbles out of the concrete and making sure the concrete will go everywhere that it needs to. Also be really good for pouring concrete into cinder blocks and getting the air bubbles out.
So what do we have here? This is a professional power tool. Why? Well, because it says so. Professional. So let's take a look. So inside of the box we have instructions. Here's the tool itself. What is it? Well, it's a concrete vibrator. Let's take a closer look at this tool. First of all, it's a vibrator. It works at 110 volts at 60 hertz, and it's a 1500 watt. Max swing 0.55 millimeters. It is heavy duty. It comes with a very long hose, which is made out of very thick rubber, and a big vibrator shaft. It comes in a nice red box like this for storage, and it has instructions here how to handle your tool. Instruction is not that big, so if you need to basically read the instructions, you can do so in less than 5 minutes. So there's a little plastic piece that covers the tip. I got it plugged in, so let's go ahead and press it. So what it does is it actually spins right here on the end. Wow, it actually spins very strong, like, man, like you could tell it's got some twisting power. I wonder if there's other attachments besides the actual concrete mixing. Guys, this is kind of heavy. It's definitely heavy duty. Look at this big metal concrete vibrator. I know one thing is, on the pictures, it does not look that big, but once you actually get it, like, I'll look at it. The actual tube, it looks like it's at least an inch in diameter, maybe like inch and a quarter. We will measure to find out for sure. But here we have the actual connector. And on the inside, there is a hexagon type of shape where you actually put the tool in. The only thing you have to do is make sure it's nicely on there. And then you take this metal ring. When installing your vibrator shaft, you'll need to first insert it and then twist this piece counterclockwise. That's exactly how it installs. Guys, this is not a standard way of actually installing this type of nut. It actually goes counterclockwise. So if you're trying to spin yours clockwise, it's not gonna work, as I have demonstrated earlier in the video. So the reason it's like that, it's so that it doesn't become undone, because with its spinning type of motion, you don't want this to come loose. So you could kind of get it nicely tight. So now this is what you get. A very long type of tool. So let's compare the height of it. I'm actually 5'8½". This tool comes down to my chest. So this means you could really get into some places and actually do some vibrating action. We have a little lock button. If you want to actually lock it up while it's actually spinning, you could actually do that. Guys, vibrating action is kind of hard. I cannot even like hold it. I could put my hand on it. It doesn't feel unsafe, but this is not something I could actually grip with my hands. But you need to kind of get it engaged. So in order to get it engaged, I notice it kind of, it's good to kind of give it like some taps against the ground. let's keep trying that. See, there is something inside. I think it needs to get aligned. And I'm just testing how quickly it actually can engage when you're actually going to lower it down in your, you know, concrete whenever you pour in your slab or like anything else. So it can engage the vibration motion once you actually are pressing it, just by doing this. Guys, this is very strong type of vibration. It's a nice metal piece on here. It looks like it's gonna get the job done. This is nicely heavy duty. So if you are looking to pick this thing up, you could pick it up on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description below where to get this tool. And if I could find a discount code, I will put it up in the description as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this little demonstration. I know one thing is, I like to see demonstrations on Amazon myself before I actually buy the tools, because I want to find out if the tools actually work, how they work, how big they are in person, you know, because you do want to get a sense of what you're buying, because a lot of times pictures are a little bit too small, and in this case, video speaks a million words when you could actually see something. Well, anyways, guys, enjoy. Good luck with your new tool. Bye-bye. See you next time.